Now there will be valedictory session which will be conducted by the organizing committee. May I request the organizing committee members to come up on the stage to deliver valedictory session. Dr. K.S. Chhajar, Dr. N.D. Gupta, Dr. A.K. Ojha. Sir, please come and give your valedictory session oration.
Friends, it is my proud privilege to conduct this valedictory session of APONCON 2025. We started in time, as you have all witnessed. We ended in time, that also you have witnessed. In between, we have experienced many things, and this is the time that at least we should evaluate ourselves, our activity, what we could achieve, what we could not, so that we will try to improve in 2026 when we will assemble again for this event, which is annual program of APON and Indian Medical Association Northwest Calcutta branch. With this few words, I would like to listen from you, and then we will conclude that what is your observation and what we want to do in next program. Anyone from ladies side first? I would like to have their opinion. Anybody from ladies side? 2, 3 ladies. Soni, please say your observation about this program. कुछ गलत हुआ है वो भी बताइए, अच्छी अच्छी बातें मत बताइए खाली.
And all information is up to date. Very nice, everything. I didn't find anything negative.
Anything you suggest for improving is okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now from male side, 1 or 2 person. Yes, doctor.
Sir, session must be more interactive. Regarding question and answering.
You want interactive session rather than a flat delivery of the lecture.
Both.
और आप नोट करो भाई, organizer. You will have to answer all these things.
Sir, Dr. Indrajit Tiwari, a dedicated member of your IMAN and APON. I am discussing with Dr. Gupta sir and Dr. Ojha sir also, which should be more academic oriented. It's academic, but more core value to be addressed. I mean, suppose we are choosing a panelist of 4 or 5, which should include from every domain. Suppose I am getting a panelist as a pancreatitis, in pancreatitis session or liver failure patient, including surgeon, gastroenterologist, intensive hist, general physician perspective. So I think that should be focused and that should be imminent, and that they should have some work at their soldier. They have done the thing. Suppose I want a surgical management of acute pancreatitis, acute appendicitis, what we are discussing in Dr. Gupta sir. So we want something in a conference like that, not my opinion or your opinion or what we do or I do. It should what is recommended in the guideline, and this should be the standard of care that can be.
Okay, thank you. There are a lot of faculties are sitting in gathering. One of the faculty member, he can opine.
I think panel discussions should be minimized to 0, because most of the panel discussions do not deliver anything take-home message.
From industry, anybody?
Sir, so I'm an emergency medicine physician, sir.
Okay.
And I feel nowadays we are the core part of the physicians, I guess. So since we are still in the new to the subject, but I feel all the physician related this kind of program, we want a session on emergency medicine also, sir. It'll be very privileged and we will all be. Emergency medicine, sir.
So I am a dedicated member of APON as well. But as a surgeon, I would like to have at least one small session on how to deal with certain things that diabeticians usually do, like diabetic toes, diabetic foot, and when to refer.
Anybody below the age of 40 here in gathering? You have spoken already your mind. Any industry person?
Sorry.
You are, not, you are below
Panel
40?
discussion should be interactive.
Bansali ji, you are below 40? Okay. Chaliye
In
boliye.
panel discussion, it should be interactive. There must be some time for audience participation.
Yeah,
That was lacking.
Thank you.
Otherwise, it was very practical on clinical subjects. That was a very
Thank you.
good session.
As there is no industry person available here, so anybody who has visited the stall can say some word about their activity here in whole day program. Anybody visited every stall? Any opinion about their activity there? Anyway, now over to Mike. They were happy?
Whatever they were commercially supposed to do.
They were happy?
They were happy.
They were satisfied
They were satisfied.
with our performance?
Yes.
So one
This is
thing,
your feedback.
I took
Good,
the feedback from
very good.
4, 5.
so one thing we can add, what in different conference we used to do, like pharma sponsored sessions, some session, small session, suppose I have to speak in 4-factor PCC, whole audience may not be interested, but a cluster of 10 or 15 peoples in a small lounge area, that activity can be included in, and they are interested
That we
also.
can include next time.
Yeah.
Good suggestion. It's
Yes.
a good suggestion. We can include them also in the activity. Now, the seat anchor of the program, Narayan. Our opinion, your answer, your next program.
We want only your blessings, nothing else. You give us blessings.
Nani, whatever you know, you please share with audience. Huh?
If your blessings continue like this, okay, then we can take it to another heights.
मैं समझा नहीं. हाँ हाँ सुधार लें. ठीक है. नहीं पर आपका भी ऑब्जर्वेशन तो होगा ना कोई.
सर ये है कि आप हमारी ब्लेसिंग देते रहो, बाकी हम करते रहेंगे बस, और
नहीं,
सजेशन देते
मैं ही कर लूँ.
हाँ।
ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे नहीं. Sir, say few words. Dr. Bharat Saab, you say few words. Wisdom, your wisdom is more important to us. Your guideline is more important.
I think it all went well, except
थोड़ा माइक पास में ले लो सर.
except there were some interesting topics in both the halls at the same time. That caused
Overlapping of the topics.
overlapping of the topic.
Overlapping of the subjects. That is a part of execution. Definitely we would like to.
Actually,
So
if
this,
we
this
have
happens because you see when multiple hall runs and then when our total program is dependent on the industry, lot of overlapping is there. Number one, and then overlapping is because few topics are so important that they need to be overlapped. So I think that program is an executive program.
Overlapping cannot be avoided because if you have to cover a number of topics,
Yeah.
there has to be overlapping. So, and the other thing is most of the suggestion had been very good. We try to incorporate all of them in future because with regard to industry feedback, you said everybody seems to be very happy. Any negative feedback, probably they will be giving privately, not right now. So they have not yet given any negative feedback. But even if there is a negative feedback, we will try to correct that. Thank you.
So one good thing which I noticed is that most of the speakers are our member. Perhaps you have noticed it. I think this is the best part of any organization. If they built up their own strength, if they built up their own people, trained them to speak. So my one suggestion will be that as you are meeting every month on a clinical symposium, so try to build up the presentation during those meetings. Try to build up a skill of delivering the topic. Many times you see, you may have no content, but if you are a good orator, you can tell many lies with a confidence in the gathering and then go away smartly, leaving people thinking that everything was false but was beautifully said. So you see, skill development of delivering the lecture, I think we must develop in ourselves during those meetings, so that next time it will be a good entertaining program. Academic program is of course basic, but whole day, if it is not touched with entertainment, it becomes very difficult to stand up. Of course, ambience is fantastic, food was very good. All the speakers have done very well, which I can definitely say, because since morning I was here. Only one bad news which happened, that elder brother of Dr. Om Tantia expired. That is why the whole team of ILS, which has been assigned for lot of executive work. So that is why you must have seen some hobby-shabby is going on here and there, only because that the many things which has been assigned to the ILS team, when they suddenly went out of the field, so we will have to replace the people, and that is why some continuity in the managing and executing the things have happened, for which, of course, this is happening which is beyond our control. We can only just pray for the peace of the soul. If Chairman Sir allows, we can stand for 1 minute silence for the peace of the departed soul. And I will request Secretary of the OPON as well as Secretary of IMA Northwest Calcutta branch to send a resolution on behalf of these two organizations to Dr. Om Tantia's family. Thank you. Om Shanti.